Good morning parents and little kids. Today I will teach you how to make umbrella with the help of alphabet. Let's start. We need a plain sheet, crayon colors, sketch and pencil. Now dry alphabet is A for apple. Now draw another 4 lines outside the A and join all the points. Now draw J for jug under the umbrella. Now take red color and fill it. Take another one is blue color and fill it. At the end, take green color and fill it. Now our umbrella is ready and it's very easy and all the child will able to do it. So all child will try it at home.